Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things and tech. Today we will show you how to use Canva app. Step 1. Go to your App Store and install Canva. Open the Canva app and log in with your email address. Now you can see you can create many designs: Instagram posts, stories, logos, Facebook posts, flyers, and many more. If you want to create a new design, click the plus icon below. Now you can see many suggested templates. You can select a one. Step 2. Your app will suggest you multiple options for your design. You can select any design and change it according to your requirement. Click on the design you prefer. Then app will give you options to change it as you want. All you have to do is select each item and change it according to your requirement. If you want to change the background of this design, all you have to do is click the image. Below the screen, you can see multiple options. There you can replace the image if you want. If you need to add effects, click on Effects. You can edit the effect as you want. You can use filters if you want. Also, you can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation of the images. Also, you can crop or rotate as you want. And if you want to change the text on the images, you can select the text and change it. If you want to adjust the elements, you can place the elements and you can adjust it as you want. If you want to change the colors of the elements, you can click on the element and change it as you want. Step 3. Before downloading, you can select the proper format options and you can select the settings of the image. Then press download. Step 4. If you want to create videos, Canva has a template for videos also. Click the video option and check the template you like to use. As same as editing the images, you can select the elements and change as you want. Step 5. If you like Canva, you can purchase the Pro version, which allows you to do more edits and more templates will be available for you. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for awesome content.